What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to show you step by step how to change thumbnails on YouTube Shorts. Shorts thumbnails are visible on your channel page, in search results, and suggested videos. And a good thumbnail will help increase views and make your content look more professional. We'll also teach you a workaround to add a custom thumbnail to YouTube Shorts, because right now you can only pick a frame from your video to use. Let's dive in. To start, open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Tap the Create button to upload your YouTube short. Then fill in the caption, description, and other video details. Next, tap the pencil icon to change your YouTube Shorts thumbnail. You can drag the selector at the bottom to pick a frame from your video to use as the thumbnail. After that, tap the check mark and upload your short. If you want to edit a thumbnail on a YouTube short that's already been uploaded, open your channel page in the YouTube mobile app, select your videos, and tap the three dots on the short you want to edit. Hit the pencil icon on the thumbnail preview, and once again, just drag the selector to pick a new thumbnail. Then tap the check mark and save your changes. You can also take things a step further. Even though YouTube doesn't let you upload custom thumbnail images for YouTube Shorts, there's a workaround you can use. Just design your thumbnail ahead of time using an easy graphic design tool like Snappa. Then, add the thumbnail image to the beginning frame of your short when you're editing your video. When you upload your video and pick your thumbnail, select the frame containing your custom thumbnail image. And just like that, you have a strong custom thumbnail to use on YouTube Shorts. Well, that's all for today's video. If you learned something new, remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.